Hello, all my lovely children. Today is 2nd October, the birth anniversary of the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. As you know, we are going through a phase wherein we cannot attend school and have to study online from home. But we cannot let this stop us from forgetting the important dates in our history. Hence, on this occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, our students of class 6 have given various performances which I, Miss Astha Mewada, am sharing with you all through this video. Their enthusiasm to take part in various activities is tremendous and they have given in their best. This is highly appreciated by our principal ma'am, Mrs. Neelam Singh, our supervisors, Hitesh sir and Sandhya ma'am and all the teachers of the school. On behalf of all, I would like to thank each one of you for your contribution in today's video. Children, and in the end, as a bonus, I have put a link in the description of a comic book on Gandhiji for you. Do download it and enjoy reading it. So now, without wasting any time, let's begin.
Everyone, do you know tomorrow, 2nd October, is holiday?
Oh, but why do we celebrate it? Okay, so I will provide you the information. An eye for an eye will only make the whole world blind. This is a famous quotation by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi or Bapu. Very good morning to respected teachers and my dear friends. Today on 2nd October, on account of Gandhiji's birthday, we will pay homage to our father of our nation. This day is also celebrated as the International Day of Non-Violence, as the Bapu followed the path of Ahimsa. He was born in Porbandar, Gujarat. He was a lawyer by profession. His wife's name was Kasturba Gandhi. He never accepted British culture and rule. He struggled a lot and played the most important role in making India free from British rule. Khadi movement, non-cooperation movement, Quit India movement were some of the most effective movements. Under the leadership of Bapu that led our independence in 1947. On 30th January 1948, his magnificent and simple life came to an end when he was assassinated by Nathuram Godse. He may no longer with us, but as the opening quote says it all, his teachings will always inspire us. So let us contribute the growth and development of our country to take his legacy forward. Jai Hind, thank you.
You can't change how people treat you or what they say about you. All you can do is change how you react to it. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in service of others. Confession of errors is like broom which sweeps away dust and leaves to make surface bright and clear. Thank you. An eye for an eye can only make the world kind. Thank you. You must not lose faith in humanity is an ocean, and if a few drops of ocean are dirty, the ocean does not become dirty. You must be the change you wish to change the world.
does not come from your winning. Your struggle develops your strength. If you decide to do hardships and decide not to surrender, then you get strength. Thank you.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। सीताराम सीताराम, भज मन प्यारे सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम।
Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Making India a clean country was a dream of Mahatma Gandhi. Keeping this in mind, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was started by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 2 October 2014 on the occasion of Mahatma Gandhi's 145th birthday. This campaign is aimed at making India a clean country by October 2, 2019, which will be the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you.